How to make X account public. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to make your Twitter account public. So after you open up your phone now, go and open your Twitter app like this. So now here is the X app. So now you can tap on your profile at the top left side. So as you can see now under my profile, as you can see, my account now is private. It has this lock. So I'll show you now how to remove it. So you can scroll to down and tap on this settings and support. Now go to this settings and privacy. So in this section, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says privacy and safety, this one. So in this privacy and safety, now you can just tap on this section, the first option which says, as you can see now, audience and tagging. So in this option now, go and turn off this option, this one and this one, turn them off. So after you turn them off, now you can go back. So after you come to your X, now tap on your profile again. So as you can see now there is no any lock under my account. Now my account is public. That's it guys on how to make your Twitter X account public. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to ask questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.